Welcome to Lecture 3 of Week 1, where we go into detail at the components of information systems. In Lecture 1, we defined what an information system is. We also looked into the role of information systems. Here we will discuss the components of information systems, specifically the computer-based information systems. Computer-based information systems are a set of hardware, software, databases, telecommunications, people, and processes that are configured to execute the information system's operations. To discuss these components briefly, we will divide this into 4 categories: the people, the technology, the processes, and data. Let's start with the people. People can be the most important element in a computer-based information system. The design, development, launch, and maintenance of any information system involves teams of people. The human element plays a crucial role in the success or failure of most information systems. What you're seeing here is the functional business unit responsible for planning, managing, and supporting information systems, often called the Information Technology Department or Information Systems Department. Heading the department is the Chief Information Officer. The CIO might report directly to the CEO or to another vice president, often the one responsible for finance and administration. As a senior executive, the CIO's job is not just to oversee the department, but to help shape the organization's strategic goals and ensure the information systems contribute to them. Leaders may be first to conceive the strategic objective the system will achieve and weigh the pros, cons, costs, and benefits. Managers and staff from many departments in the organization participate on teams with technologists to design the details of a system or evaluate commercial systems that might be purchased. The information technology team works closely with staff in other functional areas to launch user-friendly, people-oriented systems. Aside from the IT department, who else do you think can define the success and failure of these implementations? Let me give you a clue.
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again? Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT. Yeah, have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT?
Something's wrong with my computer.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
No. Oh dear, thanks.
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
It's the end users. System will not run without users, and system will not be productive if users are not trained in using the system. More so if the users are neither happy nor satisfied with the system. The best information systems are the ones in which actually have value to the users, lifting their productivity by automating repetitive tasks, access to right information, and being able to decide at the right moment. The second component of information system is the technology itself. And to simplify the components of technology, let's use the iPhone as an example. An iPhone has the hardware, which is the phone itself. It also has the software, the iOS, to run the applications inside it. Also, we have the telecommunications component, which allows the iPhone to interact with other devices or anything connected to the internet. Information systems similarly have these 3 general components: the software as the interface of the users to the technology, the hardware to house the software, and telecommunications to integrate the technology with other technology to create seamless business process. Now, in terms of business processes, that's a third component of information system. A business process is a set of activities designed to achieve a task, and organizations implement information systems to support, streamline, and sometimes eliminate business processes. Could you identify what specific process is shown on the screen? The nuances of processes and their steps are affected by thousands of decisions people make, and these are influenced by human motivations and the way people look at process improvements. Some organizations try to design systems that just reproduce what employees were doing, thereby reducing labor. However, a closer look at the process might lead to far more radical changes. Business Process Management, or BPM, is the field that focuses on designing, optimizing, and streamlining processes, taking into account the human element. Analysts look at processes from many different angles to suggest innovative approaches that leverage the power of information systems and propose tweaks at every step. Efforts to manage business processes also consider the overall organizational culture. Business processes and organizational policies must be reviewed frequently because circumstances change very quickly. The last component and the most essential component of an information system is the data. Data is the raw ingredient for every information system, and these raw facts can present themselves in an enormous variety of shapes and forms. Regardless of its initial form, incoming data is converted into a digital format, which allows it to be integrated in information systems, read by computer programs, and shared across systems. They are usually stored in what we call the databases.